Alright guys, it's a pretty nice day out, not too cold. We did get some rain over the weekend, so we're gonna go and take a look at the creek and see if we can get across on the pitter. We got her warmed up, and if so, we're gonna go across and do some exploring today. We have this area all to ourselves back here. So there's 30 acres total. There's some houses that way. You can see one which isn't that close, and then you can see a house way over there, but pretty much that is kind of the width of our property that we have to play with. And we have, I would say, I don't know, maybe like 3/4 of a mile back there, so we have a lot to explore. This is basically our only obstacle to get across, which we actually cross right over there. So I'm about to go down and see if I don't think it's going to be too deep. It's kind of like this area here, so we should be able to go across. But I'll head down there and we can take a look. All right, so we're good to go. We can get across that. I'm going to go put some luck boots on, and we'll get across and go do some exploring. I'll also throw the GoPro on. All right, we're across. There's a lot of holes. I gotta watch out for that. Ooh, that's a big hole. Yeah, I gotta take it slow. Otherwise, I'm gonna follow the deer trail. See how far we can go. Oh, there's a deer right there. There's 4 of them. 5, 6, 7. Where they hide out, I guess. Sorry, guys. Alright, so we're pretty much into the back of the houses here. Let's just go up this way. See if we can make it up this hill. Oh yeah. Alright, so that's back to these houses over there. So that's about all we have. Oh, I forgot about this kind of ravine that runs down. Go up there and see if we can cross. Oh yeah, we're good up here. Most of this stuff is rotten, so. It smells back here. Something's dead. Alright, so this is pretty grown up in here. That's a good sized buck back there. we're right on the edge. We have plenty of room. We're not on anybody's property. I can go up here a little bit farther. Alright, it looks like it starts to get pretty thick up here, so I'm going to try and do my best. There's a lot of fallen trees up in here. Driveway down there to their house. I have a wrap up and come down. Oh, there's some sick back in here. Nice elevation change. Let's go back down to that main, like kind of where the trails met. I think there was another one that went that way. This is sweet. It's a good path. Really, really. Alright, so we're definitely going to have to connect the trail. I kind of like these, like, they have all these ravines and stuff. I don't know how well the GoPro is picking this up, so, but, yeah, there's a lot of area, and I think I can make it work without having to clear a bunch of stuff. Just kind of ride and just push. It's mainly just pushing this stuff away. Maybe I'll make it challenging and jump over it. We'll see. We're going to head back up this left side of the property and check it out, and then that'll probably be it till we get the wheels and tires for the four-wheeler. Oh, that hurt. That was a hole. Ouch. check and make sure I'm not going on anybody else's property. That's not right. Alright, I'm off their property, so I can basically go straight. Alright, let's go down this way. This is nice and steep over here. Guys, there's a pit bike track right there. I'm gonna ride this hillside a little bit more. Ooh, that's steeper. Woo. Get down here a little bit. But yeah, we have all this. Yeah, so this is my property here. All of this all the way down. That's really all this all the way. It's gonna be awesome, guys. If you're excited for this, be sure to subscribe and like this video. You know, I'm just gonna keep working, get riding. Like I said, guys, extremely excited for this. It's gonna be huge for riding, just riding more. Alright guys, like I said, like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.